likes heavies. Well, that was a ton of work, but I got her stripped down. The dog was helping, taking my tools and hiding them. It's a pretty fun game. So that's what we got. What I used as motivation for this project was I told myself as soon as I got this thing stripped off, I am going to see if it does a worthy burnout. So I'm going to go grab a battery and strap my gas can on and see how she goes. Well, she's a little smoky. She does pretty good burnout. She'll take second gear. I only got one camera. I just film off my phone, but we're gonna do another one. Well, the neighbors think the shop's on fire, but it's not. Just turned it into a little burnout pit. So pretty impressed with the rear end. She's a quad tire fire, so she got a posi. And yeah, it actually, it's a 440. So once it warmed up, I just put her to the floor and she just started taking her RPM. So not so bad.